Hello, my name is Marcus Baumgartner. This is Reza Remy, and then we also have Yusuf El Hakim. We are from Gems World Academy, and this is our teacher, Mr. McRae, Andy McRae, and this is our project.
So basically with this project, we're trying to solve the problem where when people leave school and buildings, they leave the air conditioning on, they leave the lights on. So in order to solve this problem and conserve more energy, we're developing a system, also with an app, where basically using high-tech sensors, the irrigation system, the air conditioning system, and the light systems are activated and deactivated when needed. So whenever someone's inside of the building, the lights turn on, the air conditioning turns on. Also, here you can see on the app, it's developed so that we can control the lights, we can control the air conditioning, and yeah, just using the sensors.
So all buildings here work in the same way in the replica of our school. And the way the lights work is that they detect when there's a lot of light in the room, when there's lack of light in the room, when there's a person in the room, and hence turn on and off the lights accordingly. Of course, everything can be overridden by the app. Here you can see a demo of the ultrasonic sensor, which is used to determine if there's a person in our rooms. Here on the display you see the distance that is read on the ultrasonic sensor. Now, when I put my hand in front of it, you can see that the distance drops down. This is used to determine whether there's a person in the room. As you can see here in building C, there's a person in front of the ultrasonic sensor, and now if I simulate that it's dark, therefore if there's a lack of light, by putting my hand over the light sensor, you can see the lights switch on inside the room. And when there's daylight, the lights switch back off. Also, we have a temperature sensor that replaces the normal AC system, where if I heat up the temperature sensor to simulate that the room is hot, this fan will switch on and will cool down the room. Here you can see there is a bunch of trees and soil. Have you ever ridden on Shakeside Road when it was raining and seen how the plants and the trees are still being watered although it was raining? We've aspired to fix the solution and to fix overwatering of plants by having a humidity and moisture sensor implanted in the soil, where every time the soil gets too dry, a pump will pump water into the soil and hence always keep the plants irrigated correctly. So this is the moisture sensor that we have implanted under the soil, and yeah, it just measures how much water is in the soil and appropriately switches on and off the pump that pumps the water. Furthermore, on top here we have a solar panel which can move forwards and backwards based on where the light is or where the sun is. This amounts to the most efficient way of having a solar panel collect power. All the buildings here work on the same system when it comes to the AC, when it comes to the lights, but it can all be overridden with the app, as my colleague will talk about now.
So on this phone, we have developed an app where basically it acts as a control panel for the systems inside of the buildings. We can control the systems remotely, such as the lights in building A, the lights in building B, and as well as the irrigation system and the air conditioning. In future development, the app will be able to tell us how much electricity and how much water we're consuming.
Thank you, Diva, and thank you, JunkBot, for this opportunity, and we'd love to see more competitions just like this.